CodeGPT versus Cursor. Which AI agent is better for coding in 2025? Let's compare them and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with CodeGPT. It's a plugin style assistant that integrates into existing editors like VS Code. It helps with code generation, explanations, and debugging. On the other hand, Cursor is a standalone AI-powered IDE that feels like coding with a smart teammate. It includes inline completions, refactoring, and even automated test writing. To compare them, let's hop onto features. CodeGPT covers the basics: code snippets, bug fixes, and explanation. Cursor offers a richer experience with real-time suggestions and testing. Second is learning curve. CodeGPT is lightweight and easy for beginners. Cursor requires getting used to a new editor but feels rewarding long term. Third is customization. Cursor has more AI-driven workflows, while CodeGPT focuses on prompt-based help. For its audience, CodeGPT is best for students and light coding tasks. Cursor is built for professional developers seeking productivity boost. Lastly is the value. CodeGPT is cheaper and easier to start with, and Cursor costs more but can transform your entire workflow. The verdict is pick CodeGPT for simplicity and affordability, and choose Cursor if you want a fully AI-powered coding environment. Now, you can decide which coding AI fits your needs. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.